Hello and welcome to the e-commerce course. In this one, we're going to be taking you step by step to build a fully functioning and fully deployed e-commerce web application. We're going to be using all sorts of technologies to do this, and a big part of this series is to really help you build something real. We want to do that so you can have a better understanding of the technology, but then also you can actually use the end result from this course. In this case, we're going to be building an e-commerce system. So that means that, of course, we're going to have products and we're going to have payment processing. We'll have a lot of other things, and we're going to be doing this using a few programming languages for sure. One of them is Python. We'll also be using JavaScript and some frameworks that are really good for both of those things, such as Django and Angular and jQuery. We'll have a bunch of stuff on this in the course itself, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of an understanding of what you'll be using so you can be as successful as possible. Now, of course, we're going to be going step by step. So that means that even if you don't have a huge background in these areas of technology, that's okay, because we're going to show you exactly what you need to do to make this thing work. Now, our goal is to help you understand this technology while building something real, but really to help you actually do it, to finish it, to release it, and to get it out there in the world and hopefully have it working with real people so you can go back and improve it and make your service more and more valuable, and then hopefully even forecast the things that will be coming. Thanks so much. My name is Justin Mitchell. I'm going to be taking you through this series, and I'm really excited to have you here. So let's go ahead and get started.